Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and today I am at Ivybridge, which is the first video I am filming in 2023. And in this video you're going to be seeing services from Great Western Railway and CrossCountry. So this station was actually meant to be filmed on my previous trip down to Devon. However, due to a broken down train at Tiverton Parkway, I got delayed by about 120 minutes. So I have decided that I'm going to add it into this trip. So yeah, let's get into the video. Passing through now is a Great Western Railway service from Penzance to Cardiff Central. That was 43022 and 43189. Passing through now is a Great Western Railway service from Reading to Penzance. And that was 802.110, and I'm not quite sure why that one started at Reading and not London Paddington, but it started in Reading. Passing through now is a Great Western Railway service from Penzance to London Paddington. That was 802.010 and 802.017. Passing through there is 220.004 on a cross-country service from Plymouth to Glasgow Central. Arriving in now is the 0948 Great Western Railway service from Gloucester to Penzance. Front is 43187 the Welshman, and we will get the rear as it departs. What I get now is the 0948 Great Western Railway service from Gloucester to Penzance. And the rear is 43092. Arriving now is the 0951 Great Western Railway service from Penzance to Cardiff Central. And the front is 43042. get the rear as it departs. Departing out now is the 0951 Great Western Railway service from Penzance to Cardiff Central. And the rear is 43009. Arriving in now is the 1019 Great Western Railway service from Cardiff Central to Penzance. And this one is 158950. Departing out now is the 1019 Great Western Railway service from Cardiff Central to Penzance. Passing through now, believe it or not, is a Great Western Railway service from Penzance to London Paddington. And that was 152.33 and 150.263, I think that was. However, those 150s are not going to London, which is really strange. So they are only going as far as Exeter St David's, and then at Exeter St David's there is an 800 sat waiting to take that service on to London. Now that is something I have never seen in my life. I've never seen that done in my life. But there we go. Seen it now. Passing through now is a cross-country service from Derby to Plymouth. That's 221133. Passing through now is a Great Western Railway service on an ECS. That's 158950. Passing through now is a Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to Penzance. And that was 802112. And that is going to be the final train in this video. So if you have enjoyed this video, then please leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this one, and comment down below any stations you want me to visit. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.